Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the profile error on Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. Step 1, check for Edge updates. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Select Help and Feedback, then About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Step 2, repair Microsoft Edge via Settings. Open the Start menu, type Settings, and open it. On the left, select Apps, then Installed Apps on the right. Search for Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot icon next to it, and select Modify. If prompted by user account control, select Yes, then click Repair. Once the repair is complete, Microsoft Edge will relaunch automatically. Your profile error should now be resolved. That's it. A simple fix for Microsoft Edge profile errors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.